Introducing the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, the flagship of the Pura 70 series. Packed with captivating features and specifications, let's explore this new product and its exciting segments in detail. Inside the box of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, you'll find our phone. Just leave it alone. We'll talk about the phone later. First, on the right, there's a stylish phone case which fits well on this model. A SIM injector pin and user manuals. There's also a charging cable, which is quite ordinary, but this 100-watt charger is rather special. For charging, the Pura 70 Ultra supports 100-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. Let's start by talking about how it looks. It's really nice. The Pura Ultra comes in 4 different colors: green, mocha brown, starburst white, and starburst black. The company made the device with a starburst pattern design, which gives it a soft and elegant feel. So, when it comes to design, the phone looks great. The camera module's unique design sets it apart. Unlike typical circular designs, it's a distinctive feature that screams Huawei. This design was necessary to accommodate the large and impressive main camera. Moving on, the Pura 70 Ultra now features a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2844 x 1260 pixels. It also supports a 1x 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, 440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and a 300Hz touch sampling rate. Additionally, it uses the second-generation canned glass, which offers high-end drop and scratch resistance. So, I would say the design and display of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra are top-notch. The main attraction of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra lies in its cameras, as the P series continues to focus on them. Similar to its predecessors, the Pura 70 Ultra boasts impressive camera features. It sports a 50-megapixel primary shooter with an aperture ranging from f1.6 to f4.0, equipped with anti-shake technology. Additionally, lens with an f2.2 aperture and a 50MP super concentrated macro telephoto camera with an f2.1 aperture and optical image stabilization, supporting autofocus for clear and vibrant close-up shots. The Pura 70 Ultra is capable of 3.5x optical zoom and up to 100x detail zoom. Retractable lens, a basic technology never before used on any camera except for variable aperture. The Ultra also features variable aperture. So, the Ultra is likely a collection of Huawei's most advanced image technologies. It's important to note that the retractable lens is intended to make the lens less protruding and to improve optical quality, but it is not an optical. The camera system is quite capable of capturing photos of high-speed moving objects. Yes, the Pura 70 Ultra can take crisp and clear photos even in high-speed scenarios, up to 300 km/h. I don't know how Huawei managed to make it happen, but this feature is pretty useful. You're already watching this video as an example. Just look at how clearly the Pura 70 captures the image. I guess Huawei is using some high-end AI capabilities to make this happen. The P70 Ultra is using a new Kirin chipset this time, the Kirin 9010. It's essentially the same architecture and GPU as the 9000 series. So, the 9010, like its name suggests, is just a slightly upgraded version of the 9000 series. After all, it's only been a year, and it's going to take a lot longer for the Kirin chipset to outperform other competitors.